Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you learn to play Van Halen's When It's Love on guitar. We'll break down the song into manageable parts, starting with the core chords that drive the verses and choruses. Then, we'll explore the distinctive intro riff and the bridge section. Finally, I'll offer some tips on approaching the memorable guitar solo, focusing on key techniques to help you master this classic tune. Get ready to rock. Let's dive into the essential chords for When It's Love. The main verse progression often cycles through D, A, D with an F-sharp bass, and G. For the powerful chorus, you'll primarily use D, A, B minor, and E minor. Focus on a steady, driving rhythm, typically with strong downstrokes on the main beats. Practice transitioning smoothly between these chords to build a solid foundation for the song. Now, let's tackle the iconic intro lick. It's built around a D major to A, then a D with an F-sharp bass, moving to a G chord. Eddie Van Halen often played a guitar part that mirrored the keyboard melody here, adding a signature touch. The bridge section then shifts to a progression involving F, C, and G chords, providing a dynamic change before returning to the chorus. Focus on the feel and timing to capture the song's energy. The guitar solo in When It's Love is a fantastic example of Eddie Van Halen's style. It's primarily based in the D minor pentatonic scale, often played around the 10th fret. You'll encounter precise string bends and some quick, challenging licks. To master it, break the solo into small sections, practicing each part slowly and cleanly. Gradually increase your speed and pay close attention to the original recording for its unique phrasing and dynamic nuances.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.